In today's video, we'll try to learn how to create or how to record overtime work of our employees. For this, come here, get rid of tally, then go with vouchers. Then select other voucher by pressing F10. Then you have to select attendance under payroll vouchers. So I'll select attendance. Then the attendance voucher creation window is open. So just keep press enter and you can see the employee's name. I already created an employee name which is Kusuma Agarwal. So I select that and then I have to select what is the production type. It is overtime, so I'll select overtime here and value I have to put how much I will pay. So I'll just put a random value 100 hours and then next one if you want to put another details of Kusuma Agarwal, you can put it here, otherwise just press enter. If you want to put nation, put it here, otherwise keep press enter by skipping. So accept, it will be yes, then press enter for accept. The record is completed. This is how we can record our overtime production hours of our employee. So thanks for watching.